Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. We have a melon here that Melisa from House Homesteaders brought when her and Ben were down visiting the other day. She talked about this was probably the best melon that's ever been grown, this variety. Now, it wasn't ready when she was here. It was still green a little bit, and in order to get the true taste of this melon, she asked me to wait till it turned good and yellow before I cut it. And she said once I ate this, I probably would never ever choose another melon to eat. And she said most of these melons that you buy in the store are muskmelons. They're not really true melons like this one is. So I've never eaten one of these, so I'm going to cut this thing open. I know it's got my whole house smelling like melon right now, so I'm going to cut this thing and try to see. I'm going to try not to damage the seeds because she'd asked me to save the seeds on it. It's cutting real easy. I don't know, kind of look and see if I can see where the seeds are at so I don't hurt any of them. Wow, it looks different than any other melon I've ever cut. There we go. Okay guys, it's kind of hollow in the middle. I've never actually cut a melon and opened it. It was like this. Resembles a cantaloupe. It's got seeds all the way around the sides on it like this. Looks like they'll be pretty easy to get out. So we're going to take the seeds out. Then we're going to take a taste of it and see what it's like. Okay guys, I've got me a spoon now. We're going to take the seeds out of it. The seeds really resemble a cucumber. We'll just kind of rake them out. I'll clean them later, but they really look just like a cucumber seed. So, or a cantaloupe. They look like a lot like a cantaloupe. Okay guys, we've got this thing cut up now. We're going to actually take a piece of it and we're going to see how it tastes and see what we think about it. It's actually sweet. My recommendation would be that it be put in the refrigerator. You get really cold. Now this is me personally. A lot of people will be different, but it is got a sweet taste to it. Very, very soft, very mellow taste. Excellent melon for its size, and it's going to be a good melon, especially if you get it. To me personally, if you get it good and cold. Now some people might like to put salt on it or other things like that, but me, I like to taste the melon itself. And it has a fantastic taste. I'm probably going to be seeing if I can't get some seeds from Melisa. It would be a good idea to have some of these seeds on hand to grow some of them, especially if they grow in our climate and do really good. Because this is a good sized melon. Now we have another one in there that is a blend of what she has wanted. It's actually a longer melon that she's created here through breeding. I want to show you that melon so that you kind of get an idea of the differences between the two of them. Now these come off of this, out of the same seeds. Kind of let you know what it looks like. And this one here is almost just like that one, but this one has more of the banana side to it. It's a long melon like this. Now we're gonna let this one set till it gets a lot yellower than what it is, because we realized after we cut this one, it could have went just a little bit further to really enhance the taste a little better. So this one, we're gonna keep an eye on it and watch it, and let it get as yellow as possible, and not ruin, but get a little bit more yellow, because it's still got some green all in it. And I think you'll get the best taste out of it once you let it go to that point. But we're going to start sharing this in the family here and kind of get some opinions and see what everybody else thinks about it. And I like it. Of course, I'm a cantaloupe eater anyway, so I like it because it reminds me of a cantaloupe.
Is it good? You like it?
You like it? You like it better than cantaloupe?
She likes it because she's hungry.
Mm.
She wanted sugar.
It is different.
Is it good?
It's good.
Tastes like a cantaloupe, really.
To me,
I guess
it's good though.
it's more firm. I like that. It's not mushy, smushy.
Smushy.
It's not smushy like some of
It's
them.
not smushy. But it's really good. And there's something different though.
It smells good.
It's like more tropical. It's got like a undertone of something. I don't know. It's really good though.
I don't remember which two melons. I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
I'm not a cantaloupe person. I don't like cantaloupe, but I can eat this. Oh, you want mine? How about your own? I'd say this one loves it. Keeps her out of sugar.
Good.
So thank you guys from Deep South Homestead, Melissa, Full House Homesteaders with Homestead Mama. This is good.